Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO band, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our Smartband. To do it, simply tap on it. Once you wake up the screen, to change the watch face, simply swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you like and just leave it. So if you select it, just leave it, and that's how you change the watch face. You can also change the watch face via the phone app if your Smartband is paired with the phone. So let's move the band to the side, bring the phone. On the phone, let's open the HeyTap Health application. In the app, let's tap on Manage. And here we have the device page for our OPPO band. And as you can see, we have my watch faces. And we can select the watch face we like by tapping on it, or rather tapping on my watch faces category. It's gonna open this menu, and here we can select the watch face. So we can tap on one. As you can see, it says current under it, and if you wake up the screen, it's gonna change, as you can see. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.